So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to export as an MP4 file here in Alight Motion. So if you have your masterpiece right here and you wanted to save this and export it, go to the top right and select on the green button with the arrow. Once you're here where it says video MP4/AVC, go ahead and select that. But before you do that, press on the arrow right beside. Make sure that for codec right here, H.264/AVC is selected. You can also choose the resolution as well. You can do this in HD, less than HD, do what you got to do, as well as the frame rate. And if you want to increase the quality, slide this bar to the left. If you want to decrease it, you can slide this bar more to the middle. Whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and see what the file size is going to be. And if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom, press export by watching an ad, and then you can export your video as an MP4 file this way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can export as an MP4 file here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.